The join lines command will actually let you join line strings together. So for example, I have this line here, and you can see that it's broken into some segments. So it looks like it's continuous all the way up to here, but then it breaks and I lose the connection of these other lines. You can see it goes to a cat arc and drops, creates all the way around. So if I pick this polyline here, I can right click and choose the join lines command, or I could pick join lines command from the CAD tab right here. So I'm going to use the join lines command, and it's going to ask me first it's select, because I've already had the line selected, so that's the baseline. It's going to ask me what line to join. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to pick this line, and you can see that it joins that line, and then it still selects the line that I just joined and puts me into the next line to join. And then I could come down and I could pick the next one here and continue joining these lines through the object. Now you can see this one overlaps, and you can choose to continue or no. So that line's going to overlap, so maybe I want to clean it up, but if I click yes, you'll see that it joins that line together. And this one has a distance, so there's a distance between those two lines of a small little gap. I can choose to continue and it'll connect that gap, or I can also tell it not to show me this and just join. So I'm going to click OK and just continue doing the join throughout the rest of these objects. Now you can also automate some of this. Instead of just picking one at a time, you can actually use a one line selection, or you can use all selected lines. So the one line selection is I would pick a baseline. So let's say that I start with this line here. Then the lines to join, I can select all the others using the options command here and simply do a select by layer. So when I click on this and I click close, you'll see that it's selected 94 lines because it's picked everything. And then I could click on join and it'll join those lines together. So you can see this one here has been joined all the way down through wherever it can connect. So it's not going to choose or overlap, the other one. So you can see here this polyline here is, not joined over there because this line here eventually came to an end somewhere. So I could repeat that process, but that eliminated the need for me to go picking each individual line segment.